This is part 2. So far we've gotten Unicorn Shimmer, Unicorn Magic, Unicorn Sparkle, and 3 mystery bags. Mystery bag number 1 is a spoon and some stink chips, 100% poop grain sparkles. Mystery bag number 2 is a Farta Creamy Caca Soda. And our figurine is, ooh, it's a pretty unicorn zebra. Wow, you can kind of see this blue. It looks very shimmery and very, very, very pretty. So step 1 is to fill this up with water. All right, and then we go ahead and take out its binky. Oh, come back for part